Well, good day, everybody. I'm meteorologist Brian D'Agostino. I'm the Director of Fire Science and Climate Adaptation for SDG&E, here to provide you with an update on the large Santa Ana windstorm that impacted our region. So the strongest of the winds are behind us. That is certainly some good news with this particular red flag warning, but our focus here at SDG&E has now transitioned to patrolling these lines that were turned off for public safety power shutoff and getting them restored as quickly as possible. We have been making progress. 35,000 customers have already been restored, and we are now all hands on deck getting the remaining customers back as soon as we safely can. Some big improvements today. The winds have dropped enough that helicopters can get into the sky, so that will help the process. We also have foot patrols occurring all over our service territory. So we certainly are hoping to make really good progress today. We do anticipate that we will run into some areas of damage. With the number of weather stations that we saw hitting hurricane force winds, we do anticipate that we will find damage, but we'll be communicating with you when we start the patrols, and then also when we complete. And then if you'd like updates, you can go to our outage page. That will have updated estimated restoration times, and we will be keeping an eye on those today and trying to keep those updated. And you can also go to sdgne.com/ready just for general information. So we so appreciate your patience, and we are fully committed, all hands on deck, to getting everything restored as quickly and safely as possible. Thank you, and have a safe day.